The number one best way to make money online in 2019 and in 2020 coming into the following year, okay? I want you guys to be able to get your money right, be able to invest, be able to reinvest, and be able to get your success to the next level. My name is Ben Oberg. My initials are BO. It is body odor. That is what people called me in high school, middle school, and I didn't even smell. I really wish my parents did not name me Ben Oberg. In other words, body odor. In other words, bend over. Didn't really like it, but my middle name is Herbert, so I'm glad it wasn't the first name. We're gonna talk about the number one way to make money online in 2019, going into the following year. Let's get started right now. I know you guys are like, yo, he's super weird, why would I listen to him? Okay, I'm gonna break down why you should listen to me and how you can take action right after this YouTube video and be able to start your very first, or maybe you failed a few times and you just need the right information. I get it, all right? I went through a lot, I wanna help alleviate some of that for you guys, okay? So let's talk about the number one way to make money online in 2020. It's 2019, but let's go with 2020. Okay, so there's a few different things you don't wanna have, all right? You don't wanna have saturation, all right? You don't want to have saturation, okay? You don't want to have overhead, okay? You can have overhead later because you're gonna spend money to make money, it's true, all right? I spend, I don't know, $30,000 a month just on marketing, all right? $30,000 a month just on ads, and I've got other marketing as well. But it's because I'm at that level now where it makes sense. I found the system, I can throw money at the system because I've come to the point where I know that if I put in X amount of dollars, I'm gonna get Y amount of dollars. I know if I put in 1,000, I'm gonna make 3,000. So I'm able to just turn the switch up. I'm able to keep going because I've found the model. I found the business model that works, and I'm gonna be going over that right now with you guys, okay? So just a little background, okay? I didn't go to college, I don't have a degree, I don't have the piece of paper that says I know anything, all right? I taught Thor. Thor started out when he was 17, did $132,000 last year, just turned 20, okay? Like he is a teenager, all right? Leo Ahmad, I remember him telling me, hey Ben, I'm gonna drop out of university, what do you think? I was like, I don't wanna be the guy to tell you yes or no. I know you're doing good, that you gotta make that call. I was doing $20,000 a month at that time. Quit. All right, quit. Actually, I don't even think he was at that level yet. Now 20, doing $60,000 a month with his Instagram marketing agency, which is one of the things that I'm going to be talking to you about, giving you all the details in. So when I got started out, look, I'm 19, I'm in the corporate world, I'm doing $100,000 a year. I'm doing $100,000 a year as a sales guy on the line, Jack Carroll, Skadden Hyundai. But I quickly realized like these skills that I'm learning, I can bring these online if I've got my own product or service and I can market them, all right, I'm gonna be able to make a lot of money, a lot more than I do here, keep a lot more. So I tried to start figuring out how to make money online. I literally tried MLMs, I tried Amway, I tried a company called DS Domination, I tried drop shipping, I tried a lot of different things, affiliate marketing, I tried CPA offers, and I couldn't get it to work. Here was the problem, all right? For those of you that have felt stuck before, listening to the wrong people and trying to take action on 10 different people's information. That was something that was extremely hard. Because if you think about it, you've got this one goal, all right? Here's your goal, all right? And you're trying to feed this goal, but you're feeding it with this guy's biases, and this guy, and this lady, and this lady, and this one, and this one, and it turns out, you know, maybe there was like one of them that knew something, and the rest of it was kind of just bullshit. And so that becomes really hard. So I tried MLMs, I tried dropshipping, I tried Amway, I tried Shackley, I tried all these different things, you know? And there was a little bit of a mindset shift that I had to come to. But the bottom line is if I had stayed away from saturation, okay? If I stopped doing what all the Honda Civics of society do, everybody wants to get rich quick. Everybody wants to click a button and make $1 million, but that's not the reality. Starting an online business and making money online requires work. It really requires work, okay? If you're willing to work and you have a good system to leverage, as the saying goes, build off the backs of the giants, all right? So I thought, like, what can I do? I don't want to go where saturation is, and I don't have tons of money to invest. Like, I might have had a couple $1,000s, right? Like, I didn't have tons. I'm 19, I don't have much money, all right? I didn't go to college, right? I'm not qualified. So, like, I gotta figure this out. I tried doing Facebook marketing. I tried doing SEO. So these are the things not to do. Facebook marketing. Everybody's on Facebook. Everybody's copying each other. Everybody has seen that link. It's been shared 1 million times with people. There's 2.7 billion people. People are spending money on ads, and that's the thing. With Facebook, you don't have a big reach. With Facebook, all right, if you make a post and you have like 100 friends, all right, that's gonna equate to like 5 likes, all right? On Snapchat, your average user is 14 years old. Go ahead and give me a yes in the comments below if you would agree that the average 14-year-old doesn't have a whole lot of money. Just go ahead and comment yes in the comments below, all right? So Snapchat's not the right platform to be on, all right? Twitter, same thing, all right? And unless you're a politician constantly tweeting all the time, all right, like, or you're a 7-year-old, Twitter really isn't working. So I can't use those to make money. Pinterest, okay, if I'm a girl and I'm a model and it's all about makeup or home decor, maybe I could do that. But I'm trying to do something that works. So I'm like, what about Instagram? By this time I'm 21, 22, still got debt, you know, no money saved, anything like that. So I hammer Instagram. I figured out how to grow an Instagram account, all right? And I started offering products and services through the Instagram account and selling shout outs and all this stuff. And one day it occurred to me that it wasn't growing the account itself that would make me tons of money, but actually the skill of growing it. The skill of growing it and the skill of being able to walk up to another person and being able to go, look, I know that you yourself have a brick and mortar and you're trying to take it online, or you probably understand the power of getting online versus the AM radio ads that you're spending money on, because that stuff's not working anymore. Your newspaper, it ain't working anymore. Maybe you're starting a business and Mr. or Mrs. Smith, I understand that you're trying to figure out how to grow a business, but maybe you don't know all the angles you got to take with social media. So I quickly realized, like, if I know how to grow on Instagram, and this social media platform is growing quite quickly, quite rapidly, people are going to come to Instagram to consume information. And if that information is information I'm putting out there, one, I can make money with it, but two, okay, if I can get other people's information out there in front of targeted people, those people, that company that wants their information out there will pay me to get them out there on social media. So what I did is I started taking a client, okay, whether they were an attorney, okay, whether they were an accountant, whether they were a bakery, all right, or whether they were a massage therapist, a chiropractor, or another entrepreneur, okay? I started taking these people, getting them on Instagram, using the growth strategies that I had figured out to get them targeted clients, all right, coming to their brand, all right? So getting people to their Instagrams, and then from their Instagram, sending those people to their offers. So for the entrepreneur, maybe he's got an app that he wants people to download, okay? Massage therapist, maybe he wants to book more local clients. The bakery wants more people to buy their donuts. The accountant wants to help more people with their taxes and rip off the IRS. The attorney, maybe it's a business formation attorney trying to help entrepreneurs form their businesses in the right way. So maybe I'm helping him or her book more clients, okay? And all of a sudden, I'm taking this entire population that prior to that is not growing their presence on the world's fastest growing, most engaged, most trusted social media platform in the world, Instagram, all right? Prior to that, they didn't have the skill. Or maybe they were trying, but they didn't have the time. And they didn't have the right information to be able to grow and get in front of the people that are gonna pay them money. So all of a sudden, I'm like, shit, you know, I can do this. And so I tried a million different things. I would sell Instagram accounts, I would sell shout outs, I do a little affiliate marketing, I do a bunch of stuff. But what took off for me, so I started this aggressively November 4th of 2016. That's when I quit my job. All right, November, what that looked like for me, I went from zero, I had nothing. Like when there's those stories, I had nothing. I had a negative bank balance, I had a $2,100 mortgage, I had some car payments, had a couple dogs I had to take care of, obligations, okay? It was not the right timing, okay? I took the jump, I quit my job. You know, I put myself in the position to win, and I hammered and I made $12,753. Next month, I took on more clients, a couple dropped off, I increased my skills, I was able to charge more. I made just over 16K. Next month, actually no, it was 22, I'm sorry, it was 22K. It was 22K. Next month, I did $59,000. So this was November, this was December, and this was January 2017. So within 90 days, I've got my Instagram media agency, or Instagram marketing agency, if you want to call it that, to $60,000 a month. All right, and here's what that looked like. I gotta find. What I did is I started off and I had like 4 clients right here. I had 4 clients paying me anywhere from 1.5K to, I don't know, 4K a month. I had one on 1.5, I think one on 2, and a couple on 4, something like that. And I had one of them drop off, but I took on a few more clients at 5K a piece per month, all right? And I was able to get it to 22K. This month right in here, I had used these clients, their testimonials, to help acquire some of these guys. And I used their testimonials to help acquire some of these guys. So by January 2017, I've got like 20 clients, all right? I see a lot of people that are doing like, they'll be like, oh, I have an Instagram marketing agency and I do follow unfollow and I get my clients 200 followers a month and I charge $50. Yeah, but you've got to have 200 clients to make your month, whereas I only need 20. And your 200 clients charging you, that you're charging $50 a month, they're not business people. They're not gonna be there next month. Not only do you have to have like 20 times more clients than me, but you're gonna go have to find them the next month again, because if somebody's only willing to pay $50 a month and the service, the quality of service you can provide is only good for that, these are the kind of people that are like, well, it didn't work, and they fall off. But if you can get real results, by the end of this video, I'm gonna give you the strategies you can start implementing to be able to start this business. And I'm gonna work with you too. You'll see how you can work with me as well, all right? And so I have got 20 clients here that I can just charge, $2,000, $3,000 each, all right? And I make my 60K a month. Within 3 months, guys. 3 months. I'm doing 60K a month. In 2017, Ben is, I'm 23. 23, gonna turn 24 in May. And that's the kind of income that I'm doing, okay? So, the number one way, the best way to make money online, just like I did, or right around the same time, from 2019 going into 2020, started an Instagram marketing agency, okay? And I wanna be able to teach you how to do that. There's a link in the description you can click on. First of all, smash the like button first, all right? And if you're brand new to the channel, please subscribe, because you're gonna continue getting this information. If you wanna go to the next level, what I'm telling you is it took me 13 months. Here was the thing before that. It took me 13 months, 100-hour work weeks, the right mentality, sacrifice. Girlfriend broke up with me, friends left, I didn't come out for air, I locked myself in my room, and I would spend 15, 16, 18 hours a day trying to figure this out. Okay, I didn't have the mentor. I didn't have the right information. I had to go get it and acquire it and figure it out and go through my mortgage bouncing. I had a $13 Christmas. I had $13 in my bank account on Christmas. So I had to go through all of this. I want to alleviate that for you, okay? You're not special. Do not think for a second you can, oh, I'll just take what he said right here, I'll go run with it. What I'm offering you right now is a chance to continue learning from me. Click the link in the description. It's a free web class I want you to be able to show up for. Please block out an hour and a half, 2 hours of your time. Sit down, have a pen, have a piece of paper, take notes on this, because I want to help you through this so you can get to that next level. And you're going to get my blueprint, you're going to get my funnels, you're going to get my marketing system. You'll have the opportunity to get multiple bonuses on here. My IG team hiring guide, my hashtag secrets checklist, my done for you content.